Are you still relying on hospitals to check your blood pressure? To keep a check on your heart health? Welcome to Flicky Facts. Ever thought about how simple it could be to keep track of your blood pressure from the comfort of your home? Imagine using a device that provides reliable readings and connects directly to your smartphone. Let's talk about the OMRON BP7900 2-in-1 wireless blood pressure and one-lead EKG monitor, and explore whether it might be a helpful companion for managing your heart health or not. So stay tuned to learn more. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the OMRON BP7900 2-in-1 wireless blood pressure and one-lead EKG monitor, a wide-range D-ring cuff, a storage case, 4 AA alkaline batteries, and a user manual. If you want to buy the OMRON 2-in-1 wireless blood pressure monitor from Amazon, just tap the link in the description below. Product description: smartphone stand, top electrodes, side electrodes, connection or Bluetooth button, BP reading display, start or stop button, battery compartment, air jack, arm cuff, air plug, and an air tube. Display indicators. Install the batteries. First, remove the protective cover from the back. Install the batteries. Place back the protective cover. Set up with app. Download and install the OMRON Connect app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign into your account, synchronize with your blood pressure, and take health notes. Safety precautions. Avoid eating, drinking, bathing, smoking, and exercising for 30 minutes before taking a measurement. Check the battery. Apply the cuff correctly. Adjust your body posture. How to use. Step 1. Connect the cuff with the monitor. Wrap the cuff around the upper arm with the cuff tube pointing downward. Step 2. Make sure the cuff is about 1 finger above your elbow and fits 1 finger between your arm and the cuff. Step 3. Place your smartphone on the smartphone stand of your monitor. Make sure to enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Step 4. Relax your hands and put your thumbs on the top electrodes and 2 or more fingers on each of the side electrodes. Sit in a comfortable seat with your back and arms supported. Keep your feet flat and your legs uncrossed. Step 5. Relax and press the start or stop button and get your result on the smartphone's display. Measurement classifications. Normal blood pressure, fluctuation. Blood pressure, classification for adults. Reading EKG results. When the EKG recording is finished, the results are displayed on the downloaded compatible OMRON app. Atrial fibrillation detector. Bradycardia detector. Tachycardia detector. Normal detector. Unreadable detector. Maintenance tips. Features: the OMRON Complete BP Monitor provides a user-friendly experience with its simple one-button operation. Proven accuracy you can trust. OMRON blood pressure monitors are built for confidence with clinically informed tech and industry recognition. With just the press of a button, you can effortlessly initiate readings and view your results on the easy-to-read display in 30 to 60 seconds. Bluetooth makes it easy to connect to your phone, making the data more intuitive and sending it to your personal doctor. Trusted accuracy, doctor recommended. This doctor-recommended blood pressure monitor is clinically validated, FDA 5.1K cleared, and CE mark obtained. Specifications: Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your OMRON 2-in-1 wireless BP monitor. See you in the next one.